Hello everyone. Welcome back to this channel, and in today's video we will cover the crucial topic of the Power Apps interview. The topic is the main key difference between the Canvas app, the model driven app, and how you can select on the base of the different scenario that this should be designed into the Canvas app or the model driven app. So whether you are preparing for an interview or working on a Power Apps project, understanding these two types of app is essential for you. So we will break down the core difference between the Canvas app, which give you complete design control, and the model driven apps, which focus on the structured data and the processes. So by end of this video, you will know exactly how to use each app type to suit your business needs. So stay tuned and don't forget to hit and like button and subscribe for more Power Apps interview tips and tutorial. So let's jump in. So here first question is you are building an app to manage a large data set for an organization sales processes. The app need to be responsive and must follow a well-defined business process. Which app type you will choose and why? So here there are two requirements. The app should be responsive and it should also follow the well-defined business process flow. So how you will choose? So here you need to choose the model driven app because it is better suited for managing the structured data with the business process flow. And model driven apps are also the responsive by default and integrate it well with the common data service like Dataverse and making them ideal for the complex and data centric solution. Next question is your client want a simple mobile app that allow the employee to submit their time of request, and this app needs to have a customized UI with the company branding. So which app types would be suitable and why? So here you need to create a simple mobile app where the employee can submit their time of request. Okay. So here in this case you will need to use the Canvas app for this scenario because Canvas app allow for a fully customized UI and it also provide the flexibility to create a mobile friendly interface which is perfect for the task like submitting the time of request, and the branding can be tailored to match the company style. So here you can do update the UI as per your need in the Canvas app. Next question is a company needs an app for field technician to collect data from remote location where internet access is not reliable. Which type of app would you recommend? So here the field technician maybe don't have the internet access at that time. So which type of app you will select? So in this case, we need to select the Canvas app that will be ideal for the situation when you need to work as a offline. Okay, because it allow the field technician to collect the data and sync it later when the internet is available. So this flexibility makes the Canvas app suitable for the fieldwork. So it's clear that Canvas app provide the feature of the offline capability. You are tasked with creating an app for an HR department to track employee record, training process and performance review. The app should allow for a streamlined workflow. Which app type would be better and why? So you need to create the app for the HR department where they can track everything for the employee. In this case, you need to select the model driven app because it excels at the managing structured data with built-in workflow and the business process flow. So HR application typically require the ability to manage the records in a structured manner, and making in this case the model driven app will be ideal. A retail company needs an app that allows store managers to create promotional offers and customize them for the different stores. So here an app is required where the promotional offers can be provided to the users, and for the different stores it will be different, right? So the app needs a high level of UI customization. Which app would you use? In this case we need to use the Canvas app because it allows the significant UI customization, and it enables the store manager to create and adjust the promotions with a visual appealing and the user friendly interface. Next question is, the operation team in manufacturing company needs an app to track the status of machinery and maintenance schedule. They need to visualize the data in charts and the graphs. Which app type would you use and why? So here chart and graphs is required. Okay, so in this case you will need to use the model driven app because it will allow for the easy data visualization through the integrated charts and the dashboard, and it will make simpler to track and monitor the machinery and the maintenance statuses. Next question is, you need to develop a solution where users can track inventory level and automatically reorder stocks when threshold are met. So here there are two requirements, that user can track the inventory level, and second requirement it automatically reorder the stocks when the threshold are met. So which app type would you choose? In this case you will choose the model driven app that will be appropriate for the inventory tracking, and it can also handle the structured data and automated workflow like reordering the stock when threshold are met. Suppose an app is required for a marketing team to design and manage their campaign. The app needs to connect with external data source like social media platforms. Which app type would you recommend? So here the app you need to create for the marketing peoples. So in this case it will be best that you choose the Canvas app because it can easily connect with the external data source like social media and platforms, and it also allow the flexibility for designing the marketing workflow and the data management. Suppose you are developing a solution that requires a guided step-by-step process for onboarding new employee with various tasks that need to be completed. Which app type will be better? In this case, model-driven app will be better because it supports the business process flow, and it will guide the users through step-by-step onboarding process, and it will also ensure that all tasks of each phase completed in the order. A small business wants a quick, cost-effective solution to allow the customer to submit feedback via mobile device. The app needs to be lightweight and user-friendly. Which app would you recommend? Canvas app will be recommended in this case because it is a lightweight in the nature and the ability to quickly create a mobile-friendly, user-centric solution with a custom interface, and here you can create the form of the feedback submission. Your organization wants to build a customer relationship management system to manage customer interaction and the sales pipeline. Which app type you will select? In this case, model driven app will be the best fit for the CRM system because it excels in managing the structured data, sales pipeline, and the customer interactions with built-in entities and the relationship that support these tasks. An educational institution needs an app for the student to view schedules, submit the assignment, and access the course material. Custom branding and design will be required. So which type you will select? We will select the Canvas app in this case because Canvas app allow the custom branding. It has a UI design and that will be required for the user friendly experience, so that student can do much interaction with their schedules and the coursework. You need to create an app where users can report issues, and the app should route the issue to the appropriate department based on the predefined criteria. Which app will be best? So model driven app will be best for this case, and it will support the routing issue based on the business logic. And there is also a predefined workflow that ensure that issues are automatically assigned to the correct department. A company wants an app to integrate data from its on-premise ERP system and allow employee to visualize and analyze this data. Which app type would you choose? Canvas app uh, should be chosen in this case because it will allow the for the easy integration with the external system like on-premise ERP, and it also allow the flexible data visualization option. Suppose you are developing a solution that require tracking detailed case management for the customer support. Which app type would you recommend? Model driven app will be best choice in this case management, because it is designed for the managing the complex structured data and provide features like timeline, entities, and the relationship to manage customer support cases efficiently. So model driven have so much pre-built functionality that you can achieve. The app you are building need to support the role-based security to restrict access to certain data for the different users group. Which app type you will choose? So in this case, model-driven app will be the best option because it has a built-in role-based security feature, and it also allows the granular control over which data having the different user group access. A financial institute needs a dashboard to display the real-time financial data and the KPI. The app needs to offer real-time update and the rich data visualization. So here mostly things are required a real time. So in this case, you need to select the model-driven app because it support the real-time dashboard, and it also support the rich data visualization through the charts and the KPI. Suppose your client requires an app that allow for the seamless integration with the Office 365 like SharePoint and Outlook. Which app type will be best for this case? So definitely Canvas app will be best in this situation because it can be easily integrated with the Office 365 tools like SharePoint and the Outlook, and it also provides the flexibility to build apps and leverage their services. The goal is to build a project management app that track the task, deadline, and the resources across multiple projects. Which apps should support complex relationship between entities? Which app type will be the best? So model driven app is the more suitable for project management as it can handle the complex relationship between entities like task, resources, and a deadline, and it also offer the structured data management. Your client want a fully customized app that allow the location based services and the maps integration for the field employee. So here client require the location based services and the map integration. So to achieve this thing, we need to use the Canvas app because it allow the full customization that include the location based services and the maps integration. Next question is, a large enterprise needs an app for the internal ticket management. and it must integrate with their existing IT service management system. Which app type you will select? In this scenario, you need to select the model driven app, because model driven app can manage the structured ticket data, and it also integrate with the existing system by using the connectors or the API for the IT service management. A small group wants an app for the employee to log daily activity, and it must work access multiple platforms like web and mobile. In both environment they require. Custom UI design is required. Which app would you choose? So in the custom UI design we need to choose the Canvas app, because it provides all the flexibility to design that type of app, and it also support multiple platform including web or mobile. Next question is, you need to create a customer facing app that allow users to book the appointment and receive the notification via SMS or the email. Which app type you will choose? So to integrate the SMS and the email notification, we will be required to choose the Canvas app, and it can be also customized, user friendly, and UI customization can be done. So thank you friend for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Now I'm trying to bring all the questions that are related to the on the topic basis, and I am getting some requests for creating the interview question on the particular topic, so I am creating these type of videos for you also. So I am hoping that these video will be beneficial for you, either you are preparing for the interview or for your skill enhancement purpose also. So I will appreciate each of the our subscriber. So until next time, take care. Goodbye.